What's up, everyone? Get ready for an in-depth look at this incredible piece of tech we've been testing. Have you ever wished your TV sounded as good as its picture looks? You know, that thin, tinny audio that just pulls you out of the moment? Well, today, we're diving into a game changer, the HDMI Soundbar Smart TV Home Theater Surround Sound System. And trust me, your ears are in for a treat, right out of the box. What immediately impressed me about this soundbar is its dedication to delivering crystal clear, balanced audio. Forget about struggling to hear dialogue or missing out on the rich layers of a soundtrack. This unit comes equipped with two full-range speakers designed to pump out a robust, vibrant soundstage. Whether you're deep into an action-packed movie, chilling with your favorite album, or catching up on the evening news, the clarity is simply outstanding. And here's a feature you'll truly appreciate: a precise 30 volume levels. No more jumping from too quiet to too loud. You get granular control to find that perfect sweet spot for any scene or song. It's not just about making things louder. It's about making them better, more immersive. Ready to rediscover your media library? Now, let's talk about connectivity, because what good is incredible sound if you can't easily connect it to all your devices? This soundbar is a true chameleon, offering an incredible 6 ways to connect. We're talking Bluetooth for wireless convenience with your phone or tablet, USB for direct media playback, AUX for older devices, HDMI-ARC for seamless integration with your smart TV, and both optical and coaxial for high-fidelity digital audio. Think about that flexibility. Whether you're hooking it up to your brand new smart TV, an older projector for a backyard movie night, your gaming PC, or even just streaming music from your phone, this soundbar has you covered. Switching between inputs is a breeze with the included remote, keeping your setup flexible and incredibly convenient. It's truly a universal audio hub for your entire home entertainment ecosystem. But this soundbar doesn't just connect, it adapts. One of my favorite features is the 3 dedicated music modes: movie, music, and news. This isn't just a gimmick. It genuinely fine-tunes the audio profile to enhance whatever you're watching or listening to. In movie mode, you'll feel the rumble of explosions and the sweep of orchestral scores, truly immersing you in the cinematic experience. Switch to music mode, and the bass becomes richer, the treble crisper, and the overall soundstage more vibrant, bringing your tracks to life. And for those times when you just need to catch up on the day, news mode intelligently enhances dialogue clarity, making sure every word is sharp and easy to understand without overwhelming background noise. It's like having an audio engineer optimizing your sound for every moment, all at the touch of a button. How cool is that? Beyond the sound, the practical design and smart features really seal the deal. You get the choice of wall mounting it for a sleek, integrated look, or simply placing it on your tabletop without blocking your TV screen. The built-in display gives you clear visual feedback, and the memory function means it remembers your last settings, so you don't have to constantly readjust. It's all about consistent performance and effortless enjoyment. So if you're tired of mediocre TV audio and ready to truly elevate your movies, music, and gaming with rich, immersive sound, this HDMI Soundbar Smart TV is an absolute must-have. It's packed with features that deliver real-world value, making every listening experience an absolute joy. It's more than just a sound upgrade. It's a complete audio transformation for your home. If you're ready to experience sound the way it was meant to be heard, this is the soundbar you've been waiting for. Find the link in the description below to grab yours today, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Your ears will thank you.